I'm Jason with the Boreal Museum, and today let's take a look at this experiment, fluffy snow slime. Let's get into it. Now, when we first open our little kit, we're going to find a few things. Inside of our kit, we will find a small can of shaving cream, the instructions, of course, two small bottles of white PVA glue, a small baggie of baking soda, and finally, our slime activator, also known as a borax solution. Now, what else we'll need to do this experiment that isn't in our kit is a medium-sized bowl and 2 hands ready to get messy. Let's start. So first, and this is the longest part, we're going to take both of our bottles of glue and we're going to empty them entirely into the bowl, getting as much glue out of the bottles as possible. This is important. Alright, I've got most of the glue out of those bottles. It should be enough for us to keep going. As you can see, the white glue in there. A little hard to see. Now, the next step we're going to do is we're going to add in our baking soda into our glue mixture. Just like that. And now, it's already time to start getting messy. We're going to have to mix our glue together. You could use a stir stick if you wanted to, a spoon. I'm just going to use my finger. Okay, so we have the baking soda fully mixed in. Now we're going to add about a cup of the shaving foam here. Now you can use a measuring cup, but you don't need to. I usually just spray some into my hand and toss that in, and that's okay. Alright, that in, and keep mixing until it's all mixed together as one nice consistency. Now it's all pretty well mixed together inside of there. Now, this is where the key ingredient is. Now, the white glue that we used is called PVA, and its molecules look like long, bumpy strands. The shaving foam just adds air into the mixture. It's trapped bubbles inside. And then this contains borax, which will be used. The borax ions are kind of like spider webs, and they'll link the chains together in all sorts of ways, making stretchy, fluffy snow slime. So, we'll dump this guy in, and then we'll keep mixing, and the slime should happen real fast. All right. It's coming together now. Okay. Here we are. Whoa! There is our fluffy, stretchy snow slime. Look at that. Now, the foam will kind of hold together for about a day, and then it'll start to just turn into regular kind of white slime. But you can keep it in a Ziploc bag or closed container for about a week before it'll kind of lose its oomph and you gotta toss it. But have fun getting messy. See you all later. Bye.